Moving on, let's take some time to study how to build pivot charts, which begs the question, why would you build a chart in the first place? And here's the answer. The general concept is you take your list, you convert it into a pivot table, and then you build a chart off that pivot table just because it makes everything very legible and easy to read. So if you've been following along in this course, make sure you start from a clean pivot table, and let's go with something simple. Let's drag our region down here, our product category right here, and our sales amount into the values quadrant. To build the chart, we go up and click where it says Insert, and then go over to where it says Pivot Chart, and we'll choose a bar graph because we use it to compare categories. And there we go. From here, we can modify our chart. For example, we can click on our chart, then choose the Design tab, and play with the styles right here, change all the colors, all that kind of fun stuff. A common thing people will do is they'll go to where it says Pivot Chart Analyze, then go over to where it says Field Buttons, and then select where it says Hide All to make it look more clean. Now, just for fun, let's go add another chart. So we'll click inside our pivot table, go up to where it says Insert, Pivot Chart, and let's go down to where it says Pie Chart, and let's go with the often maligned donut graph. Why? Because it looks cool. So we'll move it over here, and we'll hide our buttons one more time. And by now, you can pretty much see where this is going. What we're starting to do now is build the foundations of a dashboard. And in case you don't know, a dashboard is really just a collection of charts, your pivot table, and you throw in some slicers for good measure. And adding those slicers will allow you to interact with your data a lot more. So we'll click Insert Slicer, and let's choose our customer source. Now, when we start clicking, you'll see some really cool things starting to happen. From here, it's just a matter of arranging our charts to the way we want to see them. And just as a bonus, we can go up and click where it says View and uncheck where it says Grid Lines. And that'll give us a white background to work with. And we'll draw the line here.